everyone, welcome to King's Trading Empire. Welcome back. This is the home of Forex trading, honest broker reviews, and I help you with powerful tools that would help you trade smarter and safer. In this video, we are going to be reviewing the very powerful WikiFX Desktop application. What is WikiFX for those persons that do not know? WikiFX is a global third-party Forex broker regulatory inquiry platform and database. Now, WikiFX provides traders with information on brokers, the broker's legitimacy, the license of the brokers, their verification. They also give scam alerts. They help you recover your stolen funds. And they give you a lot of information to help you and I, who are investors, avoid fraudulent trading platforms. As you can see on your screen here, this is the very beautiful WikiFX desktop dashboard. And by the right, you can see the Expo, WikiFX Expo, which is coming up in a day to come. WikiFX Expo, which would happen, is titled World Expo Colombia 2026. And we also have the WikiFX Finance Expo in Hong Kong 2026, which will be taking place on the 23rd to 24th of July. Now, WikiFX has collected about 78,601 broker information, and they regulated more than 60 countries and 11 languages. That's awesome. WikiFX has a lot of cool features such as the ranking, where the brokers are being ranked. It has this other feature here where you can see articles. You can read some cool, beautiful articles here. And as you scroll down, WikiFX has this broker protection center, where WikiFX reported that it resolved within a month 68 million plus USD, and it resolved about 15,000 plus cases. That's for people. That's massive. We can see some of the reports here. Deep prime, severe chunk spillage lasting several minutes by several persons, thick mail. Like, you can read a lot of reviews here that would help you make informed decision when selecting a broker. You can see WikiFX have a field survey. They visited New Zealand, and they did not find this particular broker. I visited 2 years in New Zealand, unfound. The location this particular broker gave is not they are not there, and this was done in 2019. WikiFX has been in this business for quite a long time, and they tagged this as danger. So with this kind of information, you'll be able to make informed information on your next broker, so you won't fall prey of those scam brokers. Now, aside broker review, WikiFX has this cool EA at a very affordable rate. Look at an EA sold for 0.99 USD. That's very, very cheap. This EA is called Peak Ticker, and the EA is primarily focused on trading for cryptocurrencies. It trades breakout on cryptocurrencies, particularly BTC ETH. WikiFX also has this copywriting and copy trading MT5 EA, where the EA helps you copy trading between signal providing and follower accounts on MT5, and this EA is sold for 0.99 USD. That's very cheap. I think you should take a look at this EA. Now, WikiFX also offer VPS services. They have the standard VPS and the VPS Ultra. I've been able to use this standard VPS, and I can tell you for free that this standard VPS is super fast, and it's cool. You can try to use it. And the beautiful thing is that this EA is sold for 10 cents, like 10 cents for an EA that has this speed of execution. I think you should take a look at this EA. Now, aside the EA services, WikiFX also has some tools like order manager, news trading on MT5. They have the Apex Plus. They also have the Fortress, which recorded about 342% profit in last year, income in last year. They have the Shock, they have the Trend. So depending on what you want, they have the Auto Robot. You can take a look at these cool features, cool tools to purchase. Now WikiFX also have this sentiment. It gives you the position of bear and bull in percentage, so you'll be able to make informed decisions. It gives you the volume of long and short entries. It also gives you the peer distribution, like a lot of cool features you should take a look at. Now, WikiFX has this ranking list feature where you select brokers based on how they are ranked, based on preference. Some persons select broker based on active trading ranking, and Xness is leading with about 22.03%. Now, one of the cool feature is that you can view the active ranking or whatever ranking criteria for last 30 days, last 90 days, and even 6 months. You can view the ranking list based on total loss size. You can view it based on stop out, based on profit order, based on broker profitability, based on new users. What broker are new users registering on? You can see that Xness is quite leading. Xness is leading with about 19.66% growth rate. That's huge. I wonder what Xness is doing to get this number of users. You can view ranking list based on spread cost, based on rollover cost, net deposit, net withdrawal ranking, active, like a lot of criteria you view based on preference. WikiFX has this cool feature of real-time spread comparison. We can see the for EURUSD based on different Forex brokers. These are the real-time spread. This feature is very cool. WikiFX is listing some regulated brokers here in such a cool way. Now, for those of you that would love to download this app, I'm going to be dropping the download link on my comment section and on the description of this video. Please click on the link to download the app for iOS. It's available. The app is also available on Play Store. You can also download the APK of our WikiFX application on your phone, and you can download the desktop application on your PC. WikiFX has a lot of regulatory authorities, and we can see all brokers list here. You can see these brokers are regulated, and you can view all regulatory disclosures. You can take your time to read all these disclosures. I mean, when selecting a broker to avoid scam. So this is the VPS website. You can get a lot of information on the WikiFX VPS here. Take your time to view if you would consider purchasing the WikiFX VPS. So WikiFX also do this live information section where traders who have been in the industry for quite a while, profitable traders from different parts of the country, from different regions of the world, give share informations in different languages. This is one of the coolest features of WikiFX app. You can take your time to watch some of these videos. They are cool and you'll be well informed. WikiFX has the forum. We've reviewed the forum already. The exposure. Yeah, so we've also reviewed the exposure already, but you can take your time to filter across different exposure headings. Like for the unable to withdraw, you can read through user comments, spillage. So you yourself can also report these brokers in case you face any of these problems. Either you suspect that the broker is a scam, you're unable to withdraw from a broker, they have high spillage, they deduct your profit, your account is frozen, the first liquidation on your account. You can always report to WikiFX, and WikiFX will genuinely look into it, and they do serve as a mediator between you and the broker, and they serve as a mediator between you and the broker. WikiFX also have this news. WikiFX also have this news feature where you can read latest information on what's happening in the industry, both crypto industry, forex industry, including the stock industry. You can get a lot of information and first-hand news from the WikiFX news section. You can see this news on Globinoc Review 2026. Traders cry foul as funds disappear from the platform. So you can always read this news to avoid platforms like Globinoc. WikiFX perform live in location field review, where they visit the location of the particular broker to confirm if the broker is there. And we can see that they did a visit in United Kingdom for this broker, Quantum Gains United Kingdom verified. They have no physical presence in this location. They also tried to review this iControl FX United Kingdom, and they found no physical presence in that location. This is telling you that these brokers, avoid them. You have to make informed decisions yourself. So WikiFX also have the financial calendar section, where you get financial news that can affect your trading activity, and the news are ranked based on importance, where 2-star means important, 1-star means important but not up to the 2-star news. But not the least feature is the Forex. The last but not the least feature is the WikiFX Forex tools. Now, aside helping you avoid scam brokers, WikiFX helps you with tools that would enable you trade efficiently and profitably. Now, on the WikiFX tools section, we have tools like the Forex calculator tools. We have the broker comparison tools, where WikiFX helps you to compare brokers side by side according to your trading needs. Let's take a look at this feature. Now, you can compare brokers according to their score, their regulatory status, the WikiFX guarantee, WikiFX survey, risk evaluation, exposure, establishment, regulatory license, MT4, MT5, cryptocurrency, deposit and withdrawal. Like a lot of information. You can compare them based on their trading slip page. You can compare them based on transaction speed and a lot of information. So depending on your preference, you can decide to filter out these brokers. Then this tool will enable you select a very cool broker, right? Now we have the pivot calculator, which helps you to calculate the pivot point for different systems in seconds. It helps you calculate various pivot points and support and resistance level. We have the pip value calculator. Of course, we know that 1 pip in gold is different from 1 pip in USD, and it's also different in 1 pip in cryptos, or 1 pip in commodity pairs, right? So this pip calculator relieves you of the burden of how do I do the calculation. It helps you do the calculation without you stressing yourself to do it. Let's say you can calculate the pip value for EUR USD, right? We can see that for standard lot size, the pip value is $10. For minimum lot size is $1. For micro lot size is $0.1. These tools are very useful for Forex traders. We have the Fibonacci retracement, we have the position size calculator, the risk and return calculations, the liquidation risk calculator, sorry, and the Forex profit calculator. WikiFX has these cool tools kept in place for you and I to be profitable in this industry. I believe you must have learned 1 or 2 things about the WikiFX desktop application, and you will download the app with the link I'll be providing in the description of this video and the comment section of this video. If you've learned 1 or 2 things, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I remain your favorite trader, the King's Trading Empire, Real King FX. Thank you.